On this video, I'm going to show you how to hide likes on Facebook. This video will show you how to hide likes on other Facebook reactions. If you want to hide your likes on Facebook, all you need to do is to get the Facebook mobile app. Once you have the Facebook mobile app, you log into your Facebook account. You click on the gear button down right. You scroll down and move to settings and privacy. You click on it. You click on settings. You scroll down. You click on reaction preferences. Here's the two options. The first option will enable you to hide likes from others, while the second will enable you to hide likes from your post. If you want to hide likes from others, you want to hide others people's likes, you don't want to see others' likes, you need to tick the first one. But if you want to hide your like from your post, you don't want other people to see how many likes your post is getting, you tick the second one. So with this way, the likes from your post will be hidden. No one can be able to see the likes from your post. So that is it, guys, on how to hide likes on Facebook. I believe this video is helpful to you. Please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.